Reach is the number of people who see your post. It shows how far your content is spreading and how many unique users it's reaching. A higher reach means that more people are becoming aware of your content. Engagement is how many people interact with your content. This is sometimes called content interactions. It includes things like likes, comments, shares, or clicks. And engagement shows if your audience finds your posts interesting or valuable. High engagement means your content is connecting well with people. Followers is the number of people who've chosen to subscribe to your social media account. Followers are your audience base, and growing this number means more people are likely to see and interact with your content in the future. So each of these metrics gives you a different insight into how your social media is performing and helps you adjust your strategy to get better results. Use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Analytics, and Instagram Analytics to track performance. These tools provide valuable data on how your content is performing. There are a number of free tools you can use for monitoring and reporting, and the first is the Meta Business Suite. This has a section within it called Insights, which allows you to look at everything that's going on across your Facebook and Instagram page. Do make sure that you've got a decent date range selected, and we'd recommend looking at this once a month. So you can look at your overall reach, your visitors to your social media profiles, and how many new followers you have achieved. You can also break down into the content itself, so see exactly what your top performing content was, and you can see exactly how many likes, comments, and shares each piece had. You can start to identify trends as well, so maybe there's certain types of posts that you're doing that perform well. Maybe your stories perform better than your photos, or maybe your reels get more engagement than anything else. So do have an explore through all of this data and try and spot any patterns. You also have Instagram Insights, which is a great tool for analysing your activity on the go. Again, you can select your date range and see most of the top metrics in here, like reach, content interactions, and also profile visits and bio link taps. TikTok also has a similar tool called TikTok Analytics, and this allows you to have a look at the performance of your videos and your overall profile. This is only available to business accounts, so do make sure you've switched over in order to see it. You can look at your top performing videos, you can dive into more information about your audience, and you can start to see if there's any big content trends here. You can put all of this data together into a monthly report to allow you to track growth and activity. This allows you to spot any big increases or decreases in engagement. You can find a link to this reporting template in the video description. Follow your content calendar and stick to your posting schedule. Be adaptable. If something's working well, adjust your strategy accordingly to do more of that thing. Regularly review your analytics to assess how effective your posts are being. Look out for increased engagement, that's likes, comments, and shares, and increased followers. Look for improved traffic to your website or more bookings. And also look at what content has been best performing. Remember to keep track of all of this in a monthly social media report that you can easily refer back to. Then you can see what is working well over a longer period of time.